Today, we unleash a horde of demons upon this world.
Wow, Daddy, that looks smooth.
Of course it is smooth. I am a professional demon and part-time game developer.
Oh, Daddy, why is the FPS dropping so fast?
I do not know. Hey, game dev, what have I done wrong? Unity cannot handle a simple demon army?
Well, Unity can handle it, but you might be using the wrong tool. Let me see your spawning code. Oh no, you're spawning GameObjects.
But Daddy said that was fine.
It is fine, well, if you only want 20 demons, but you're trying to spawn thousands of demons.
That explains why I smell smoke coming from your PC.
Then, what should I do?
If you want a real demon horde, then you should use ECS. To make this work, you have to install the core DOTS packages, Unity entities, graphics, burst collections, and mathematics. You need entities because it provides the core ECS architecture. You'll need entity graphics because it allows those entities become rendered as meshes. Also, you need burst because it makes your system run at lightning speed. Then you need to create authoring scripts. These are standard mono behaviors that you can edit directly in the inspector. However, since ECS doesn't use mono behavior at runtime, you should implement a baker. The baker acts as a translator, converting the GameObject data into pure ECS data. So the demon authoring becomes demon data, demon spawn and authoring becomes demon spawner data. And also the standard prefab becomes an entity prefab. We also need the system as a logic. Systems are the brain of the ECS architecture. They are stateless, meaning they don't hold data themselves. They just process it. So demon spawn system acts as the factory. It reads the demon spawner data, handles the timing, and manages the instantiation of thousands of new entities. We may also need a demon move system. It queries all entities that contain demon data and local transform, calculating their trajectory and applies movement in one high-performance parallelized loop. Don't forget to add the SubScenes. ECS doesn't run on a standard GameObject. It runs on data stored in SubScenes. But why? Because SubScenes convert your data in a highly optimized binary format that loads instantly at runtime. Now the spawn system can instantiate thousands of demons as pure entities. The only code that you have to put into the scene are these codes. This one on a spawner and this one on the demon prefab. Now the spawn system can instantiate thousands of demons as pure entities. You don't see anything in the hierarchy because these are ECS entities. You'll need to go to Window, Entities, Hierarchy to see them in action. Also, I added a demon counter system. This counter tracks how many demons have been spawned in total, which helps to benchmark performance during runtime. We set a goal. Well, how many demons can I spawn before the frame rate starts to drop drastically? At 100k demons, the project still runs at around 30 FPS. That means the ECS workflow is successfully handling a huge amount of moving entities compared to a traditional GameObject-based approach.
Yes.
Now this is a proper invasion. See that? Perfection.